Today we're going to start with a very easy origami bird. Now we're going to start with a square piece of paper, and you can do it on any sort of paper. I like to use coloured paper. And we're going to start by folding the piece of paper in half so that the corners all join up. We now have a triangle. Okay. Now for the next part, I'm now going to fold this edge over so that it comes down to about halfway down. Okay. Make sure you don't make this bit too thin, because that's going to become the wings. Okay, now we're going to turn the paper over. Okay, next I'm going to take this part of the flap, and I'm going to fold this up, and I'm going to fold it up again about halfway between here, like this. This almost makes like a square. Now I'm going to fold the whole thing in half by bringing the left side over to the right side, like this. Okay, now we're going to fold this same flap back to make a wing. I'm going to fold it back to about where those little joins meet. About there, like that. I'm going to do the same on the other side. Like this. Okay, and finally, I'm going to take this corner here and I'm going to open up the inside. I'm going to bring the inside in a little bit and push it down, and this will make a little beak. Like this. And now we have a little origami bird. I'm going to make some more.